मुझे बड़ी खुशी महसूस हो रही है आज कि मुझे ये मौका मिला है मार्गरीटा विद द स्ट्रॉ का ट्रेलर रिलीज़ करने के लिए। ये फ़िल्म मैंने देखी क्योंकि मेरी पत्नी किरण जी ने ये फ़िल्म देखी और उन्होंने बेहद पसंद आई। इतनी पसंद आई उनको कि उन्होंने मेरा जीना आराम कर दिया। वो रोज़ कहती थी कब देखोगे, कब देखोगे, कब देखोगे। तो अल्टीमेटली मैंने वक्त निकाल के फ़िल्म देखी और मैं सोचा था इतनी क्या ख़ास होगी यार फ़िल्म। तो जब मैंने फ़िल्म देखी आई वाज़ जस्ट ब्लोन है। इतनी खूबसूरत फ़िल्म बनाई है सोनाली ने, इतनी खूबसूरत फ़िल्म बनाई है। ये फ़िल्म आपका दिल जीत लेती है। इसमें आपको हर रंग मिलेंगे। हर एक डिपार्टमेंट ने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है। हर एक आर्टिस्ट ने बड़ा अच्छा काम किया है और मुझे बड़ा गर्व महसूस होता है कि हमारी ये हिंदुस्तानी फ़िल्म, इतनी कमाल की फ़िल्म हम बना सकते हैं। हमारे यंग डायरेक्टर्स जैसे सोनाली हैं, इतनी बेहतरीन फ़िल्म बना सकती हैं। ये सचमुच एक बहुत ही फ़क्र की बात है हम सब के लिए।
Thank you so much, Amir. I can't tell you how deeply grateful and honored I am, because as you know that if I had to choose anybody, not just in our country, but in the world, and I told you this when you watched it, to present my film, to present the first look to the country of the film, I would choose you, because I feel you not just stand for what is best in Indian cinema as an actor and as a producer and as a director, but also you've shown that with the issues you stand for in the program you've done. And some of the things have intersected with our film on sexuality and disability. So I'm really, really over the moon when you said you could make time. And it's very generous of you to make the time and come here for my film. So thank you for that.
It's an honor, pleasure.
पहले आप किस तरीके से, किस मनोस्थिति में गए थे कि यार ये फिल्म कैसी होगी, और फिल्म देखने के बाद आपका क्या रिएक्शन था?
चूँकि किरण ने इतनी तारीफ़ की थी और किरण के टेस्ट पे मुझे बड़ा भरोसा है, तो इतनी तारीफ़ ही की थी तो मुझे लगा था कि यकीनन अच्छी फ़िल्म होगी। और वाकई जब मैंने फ़िल्म देखी तो आई वाज जस्ट फ्लॉर्ड विद द फिल्म। ये फिल्म जो आपके लीड प्रोटैगनिस्ट हैं वो डिसेबल्ड हैं या डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं, लेकिन उनमें जो जज्बा है वो बहुत ही कमाल का जज्बा है। तो बहुत ही कमाल की फ़िल्म बनाई है। तो आई थिंक जो आमतौर पे जो हमारे समाज में जो लोग हैं जो डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं, उनको उनके हीरोज़ कौन हो सकते हैं, उनके लिए कौन किरदार हैं, उनके किरदार भी हम पर्दे पे देखें, तो ये एक फ़िल्म है जिसमें ऐसा हमें मौका मिलता है।
It opened my eyes to how little education we all have, and I'm a pretty privileged, educated person in the country, and I have had very little exposure to how to be around somebody who's disabled, to know, just basic how do you behave around them. You feel awkward, you don't know what to ask them, and things like that. So this whole process really opened my eyes. Meeting Malini Chib, who's Shonali's cousin and who has cerebral palsy. And then going to adapt and working there, it just made me realize, the basics of human, that we're all human beings and that we need to understand each other, and the only way to do that is to ask questions and talk to each other face to face. And this film really, what I love about this film is it doesn't take disability or sexuality and make it this big issue. It says this is how life is. So what? Get on with it. You still get on with life. And Laila's character has this sort of beautiful sense of life, and a way of getting up every time and making a joke out of things, and that's something that Malini Chib also really has in her life, and I think she was a huge inspiration for Shonali and for me, just because this attitude, which you see already in the trailer, but you'll see a lot more in the film.
There was a lot of respect that I had for Shonali after watching Amo, and I had watched it in college. She'd come with the film. But after I read the script, not even for a second did I even think that, why, how, will I be able to? Yes, will I be able to as an actor to pull this off, as it's a very, very difficult and challenging character to play.
Recently, this film has come up, Dam Laga Ke Haisha, and censor has muted this word lesbian from the film. and since your film also depicts a kind of this kind of relationship, what do you have to say about it?
I mean, the thing is, how can we predict what the censor board will do? So we might as well wait and see what they come out with, firstly. And I believe that list, they had issued a list of names, and after that, that's been retracted. So I'm not worried about things like that. And I think one has to just wait and see. Personally, I'm anti-censorship. I feel there should be a rating system. I feel it's ridiculous that we are infantilized in this country in this way. My first film, Amu, was censored, and it was censored because there was no sex and violence in the film. They said, why should young people know a history that is better buried and forgotten? Because that film was on a genocide. So I'm very strongly against this kind of censorship. As to what this censor board will do, I don't know. I'm going to hope for the best, and let's see what they come up with.
Yeah, well, I don't think we should try and preempt what the censor certification will be and how the members will react. I think we should allow them to, see it in an unbiased manner without any pressure.
Actually, today morning we spoke to Mr. Mukesh Bhatt, and he said that Anushka's film NH10, it had gone for censors yesterday, and the censor board has refused certification for it because apparently there are some cuss words in the movie. So, and they had this meeting with the INB minister some time back, and he had said that all that 28 words won't be applicable, and I'm not in favor of that. But somehow it's not working. So, like a movie like NH10, Anushka Sharma may be going to High Court for appealing to it.
I think that this is probably a time and a phase that we are passing through. But I think all of us who believe in freedom of speech should come together. I completely agree with what Shonali said earlier. I'm also not in favor of censorship. I'm in favor of the rating system. So in a democracy, I don't think I should be told what I can say, what I can't say. But you can certainly see my film, the censor board can see my film, and say that the kind of material that you have made is not appropriate for people below this age, for children below this age. So you can say, 12 and below, or 12 and above can watch it, or 15 and above can watch it, or 18 and above can watch it, which makes it an adult film. So I don't think that adults in our country need to be told, need to be kept away from material. They will themselves choose what they want to see and what they don't want to see. An adult person, will decide what he wants to see and what he doesn't want to see.
मुझे एक चीज़ बस कहनी है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि जब सेंसरशिप की बात आती है और हम लोग सोनाली से भी सवाल कर रहे हैं और इस बार पे बात सवाल करते हैं, तो कहीं एक अंदर से एक लगता है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग चोरी करके अपनी फिल्म निकालना चाहते हैं और जो फिल्म किसी के लिए मुनासिब नहीं उसे दिखाना चाहते हैं। ऐसी मंशा, ये एक गैर जिम्मेदार लोगों की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, ये क्रिएटिव लोगों की इंडस्ट्री है जो अपनी बात कहना चाहते हैं। उसमें गैर जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, उसमें कहीं ये नहीं है कि अगर सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाए तो निकाल लें, यूए निकाल लो, वो निकाल लो, ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसे लोग नहीं है ये लोग। तो कहीं मुझे लगता है कि इंटेंट को ना क्वेश्चन करके ये उसकी प्योरिटी को समझें कि एक फिल्म मेकर जो है अच्छी नीयत से वो समाज को बिगाड़ने के का एक झंडा लेकर नहीं निकला है अपने हाथ में कि चलो समाज को बिगाड़ते हैं, बच्चों को बुरी चीज़ें दिखाते हैं। ऐसा एक मुझे लगता है जब भी हम सवाल करते हैं कहीं तो ऐसी एक नीयत सी दिखाई देती है।